Welcome to the Hope School and College Mirpurkhas, Sindh Education Foundation project from Government of Sindh. I am Abdul Jaleel, chemistry tutor of class 12. Today I have for presenting Mendeeleve periodic table, chapter 1 of class inter. What was the defect and advantages of Mendeeleve periodic table? First defect was all transition elements put together to group A means mix of group A and B. In modern periodic table, or today currently we have a periodic table, group A and B are separated. But in the Mendeleev days, these all elements are mixed together. That's why this periodic table was not differentiate transition elements and group A elements. Group B are transition elements. So what are the transition elements? We will learn from other videos. Okay, there is some variancy, distribution and other factor effective. So these are the specific elements. We call it transition element. Second point, his periodic law was based on atomic weight because at this stage atomic structure was not discovered. That's why element properties was considered to relate with atomic weight. Means those days atomic structure was not discovered. Therefore, atomic number was not discovered. Atomic structure discovered due to the electron, proton and neutron discovery. But these days research was going. Therefore, only atomic weight was considered. So fully in atomic structure was not discovered. Therefore, atomic weight was related. Third number, he placed argon before potassium and thallium before iridium. So today periodic table, potassium is placed before because potassium has a small atomic number than argon. These are the defect I am telling you. These are he only arranged 63 elements. Okay. So today one double one eight element I think has discovered, but he only arranged 63, and I think those days only 90 or 80 elements were discovered. Now advantage of Mendeleev periodic table. There was some defect, but however there was some advantages for Mendeleev. That's why Mendeleev periodic table was famous those days. First, that atomic structure was not discovered, yet the classification of elements on the basis of periodic law proved useful for predicting unknown elements. This was very important for Mendeleev periodic table. Means work, important work has done from Mendeleev. Unknown element prediction and for establishing relationship between chemical properties and atomic weight. Means unknown element was not known, that's why his prediction for unknown was famous. Second, he arranged all known elements to increase atomic weight of 7 horizontal row called period. Today we same period and group are here, and 8 vertical columns called group. Means group and period concept was discovered from early Newland or Octavlas, and then make real, make means make its effort complete to Mendeleev. Another advantage, he left certain gaps in periodic table for element to be discovered. These names were Ika बोरान, Ika सिलिकॉन, Ika एल्यूमिनियम। उसने कुछ एलिमेंट्स के बारे में पहले ही बता दिया था कि जो डिस्कवर्ड होने हैं अभी, उनके ये पहले ही बता दिए थे कि ये जैसे आजकल बोरान, सिलिकॉन और एल्यूमिनियम है, उसको नाम उन्होंने पहले दे दिया था कि इका बोरान अभी डिस्कवर्ड होगा तो उसको इस डब्बे में, इस एटॉमिक नंबर में या इस एटॉमिक वेट के लिहाज से इधर रखोगे, इस ग्रुप में इस पीरियड में रखोगे। इका सिलिकॉन का भी और इका एल्यूमिनियम का, तीनों का इन्होंने बता दिया था। लास्ट जो पॉइंट है, he also predict atomic weight and properties of undiscovered element. There was scandium, gallium, germanium. उसने पहले ही बता दिया था कि जो अभी एलिमेंट डिस्कवर नहीं हुए हैं, जैसे स्कैंडियम, गैलियम, जर्मेनियम, उनका एटॉमिक वेट बता दिया था कि फिलहाल कुछ एलिमेंट डिस्कवर्ड होंगे तो ये एटॉमिक वेट होगा और वो इधर आएंगे। ये इसकी मशहूर जो चीज़ें जिसने मेंडलीफ ने अपने दौर में काम किया था, जिसकी वजह से वो मशहूर हुआ था, ये मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं। फर्दर डिटेल के लिए आप कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं द होप स्कूल एंड कॉलेज मेन कैंपस में, मेरवा गौरचानी मिरपुरखास। शुक्रिया वीडियो देखने का। अल्लाह हाफिज़।